This bike is hot.
Hey everybody, Penny here. I'm the events director for Hogs and Heifers. We have a beautiful ride coming up today. So this event actually benefits the Nevada Childhood Cancer Foundation. It is called the Hog Wild for Kids event. What we do for this event is we have raffles, auctions, silent auctions. We do a ride. All the proceeds actually go to the Nevada Childhood Cancer Foundation and Camp Cartwheel. And we're hoping for a good turnout for these kids. Good to see you.
Good to see you. Hi, I'm Jeff Gordon, President and CEO of the Nevada Childhood Cancer Foundation. We are so excited to be here today. This is one of the best days of the year when we do our Hog Wild for Kids ride. And this specifically, of all of the 45 programs and services that we offer to children and families who have been diagnosed with cancer, sickle cell, hemophilia, all the immune, all the blood-related diseases, we get to come here today to really raise money for one of our greatest and most beloved programs, and that's Camp Cartwheel. It's what we got right here on our shirt, and Camp Cartwheel hosts over 200 children every summer. But a summer camp at the beautiful Torino Ranch, donated by the owner there, and it's just so wonderful because the kids get to find some normality in their lives, and they get to come up and just be kids, forget about doctors and nurses, and that's what's so exciting. And Michelle and everybody down here at Hogs and Heifers does so much to raise money on a day like this to help us send kids to camp, because it costs about $250 to $300 per child. And of course, that's just one of our many programs and services. We get to work with so many special families every day of children that have been diagnosed, and these families' lives, as you can well imagine, turn upside down. And we get to help them financially. We get to help them, socially. We get to help them emotionally, from counseling to paying their mortgages and their rents and their utilities. And within 24 hours of a new diagnosis, we know of where a child is doing and how they've been diagnosed and what we can do to help. So we love them, we appreciate them so much, but we can't do this without Hogs and Heifers and without this wonderful community, because we're a local organization. And so all the dollars that we receive to do all these program services come from our community. So we love Michelle so much, and it's just out of the graciousness and love out of her heart that she wants to do this for the kids. Her incredible staff, all the Hog family that come out here to be able to help us send kids to Camp Cartwheel. We can't do what we do without you. So thank you so very much. We love all of you.
This is my favorite day of the year. It's our Hog Wild for Kids event. This is our 14th year doing this event, and every single year we do a motorcycle ride. We come back here for an after party where we do a raffle and a live auction. Not only do we just have like this amazing fun day, but the whole purpose is to raise money to send kids to camp. It's my favorite day of the year. It's the one day of the year that I don't care how much sleep or little sleep I get. I'll do a 14, 24-hour day just to be for this event. It's my favorite day of the year. So if you're not here, you're missing out. If you're here, it's going to be an awesome day.
All right, hi everybody, I'm Michelle, and I own this fine establishment. And thank you, there's a lot of new faces here, which is always beautiful to see. So we started this event when we first opened, and it was our very first year of the event, and Jeff Gordon is here. He's the president and CEO of the Nevada Childhood Cancer Foundation, and a very special man. Camp Cartwheel is what we do this event for, and it's a program with the Nevada Childhood Cancer Foundation, and Camp Cartwheel is designed for kids with life-threatening illnesses to spend a week at camp, getting to be you know, regular kids. There's rock climbing, and there's an awesome lake, and they play paintball, and there's arts and crafts, and they have this incredible outdoor concert area, and they have live concerts out there, and it's this very magical place. After this event, we have an awesome raffle, we have a live auction, we have some super cool things, and I hope you enjoy your day.
Near Saloon.
We made it.
We in it. Nice ride.
Yeah, my name's Charles Levy. Everybody calls me Chuck. I did this Hogs and Heifers Wild for Kids ride, and it's a great ride, Just anything for kids, you know. Without kids, we wouldn't be here, you know. We were all kids one time.
Hey, had a great ride out here for Camp Cartwheel from Hogs and Heifers. We're out here at the Pioneer. South of town, about 30-40 miles. A great ride, a great fundraiser. This is the 14th year in a row that we've done this. I've gone to every one. My name's Dion, this is Kara, and so far so good. We're gonna have a nice get together and party back at the bar, so anybody that's out and about, come out and join us, and we'll raise some money for the kids for Camp Cartwheel.
I know. I mean, that's no fun, is it?
Awesome.
What's happening is, if you're able to keep up, the raffle tickets, is that still being sold? We're sold out. Yes. I want to thank all of you. For those of you who came on our ride this morning, it was a really beautiful ride. First and foremost, after thanking all of you, I really do want to thank our staff, our management team, Penny and Michaeline. This event wouldn't happen if our staff didn't really come together to make it happen. And every single penny goes to the Nevada Childhood Cancer Foundation. Every single penny goes into paying for kids to go to camp or bring them up to Camp Cartwheel for a tour to really have an opportunity. Listen, if you're gonna stand out there, oh, it's not working. If you're gonna stand out there, you better come in here. Buy a drink. We're having an auction, Mr. USA. We're sending kids to camp. I expect you to join. Back to thank yous. I want to thank Russ Brown Motorcycle Attorneys, Wendy Coro and Sean Mahoney. They are our premier annual sponsor. We've been working with them for years. They seriously came to the table to support us this year. Deep Betty Vodka, where's Todd? Is Todd here with us today? They are very committed to downtown Las Vegas. They support live music and they're helping to bring more and more music to our events. We don't do music today because we do this long process where I talk a lot. We want to say thank you to Leather Headquarters. Michael Snyder is another year-round sponsor for us. He's a really good guy. He also joins us as a vendor at all of our events when we have vendors. It's a really amazing thing to have folks like that and another small business in our community come together and support us as well. So thank you, Michael. And as always, thanks to my amazing staff and thanks to all of you.
Hey, how's it going? I'm Natalie Young. I'm here at Hogs and Heifers at the event to send kids to camp. I come every year. It's an amazing event. Try to give away a certain amount of money. Got here a little late this year, but it's still an amazing event. Send some kids with cancer to camp. One of my favorite events for the year, along with Toys for Tots. We take toys in at my restaurant called Eat downtown at 707 Carson and Old Soul. So if you want to drop off a toy, these guys will come pick them up. Each year, every year, come down, support the kids. Hogs and Heifers.
$300 for the bicycle. We've got $250. It's going once. It's going twice. Awesome Jameson Beach Cruiser is sold. Only two. $300 going once. $300 going twice. $300 to Brandy. Sold. $150. Sold. Charlene, thank you, my love. What? Dennis said $300. Take that shit, Joe. You want it for $350? It's about time.
Put your hand down. We're going
500 going once, 500 going twice, 500, sold to Gary. We got $250 right over here for Jack Daniels guitar. It's going once, $250. What do you guys say? $250 going once, $250 going twice. Sold for $250. Anybody else? $350. It's going once. $350 is going $500 going once, going twice. Sharp, you're out of control. You go